Youtiao Chinese Cruellers. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon instant dry yeast, 1 cup warm milk. Vegetable oil, for frying. Directions: dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar and yeast in the warm milk. Keep in warm place for about 20 minutes, until bubbles form on the surface. In a large bowl, add the flour, remaining 3 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon oil. Add the yeast mixture and mix well. Let rise in a warm place for 2–3 hours, until the dough doubles or triples in size. Sprinkle some flour over the dough, kneading the dough inside a bowl few times. Then transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead well for about 25 times. Cover with a damp towel and let sit in a warm place for 1 hour, until the dough is puffy. Knead well for about 25 times, adding a teaspoon of oil to the dough. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to about 1 inch thick. Cut into 1-inch wide strips. Stack them 2 by 2, and press the center with a chopstick, lengthwise. Take the strip, one at a time, hold the 2 ends and stretch to 8–9 inches long. Repeat with all the strips. Heat the oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and fry the strips in batches, 1 or 2 at a time. Flip the strips over continuously many times with chopstick when frying until they have puffed up and become golden brown. Repeat with the remaining strips. When done, drain on paper towels. Serve alongside warm soy milk, or alone.